You have reached your destination.
Yep. So I'm more or less done, I think, with the dash. I've got, what is it, the two upper uh, mounting brackets to put on. I put the that thing on. I've got the heater control and its support things on these things. Um, that one's on. The next one is on in there, and I've got the three top ones. One will go here. Oh, I'm bleeding. That's not blood. One here, one roughly about right here, and the other one roughly about right here. So I'm going to do a little bit of surgery for the one that's in the center because there's something in there, and that's that. Actually, pretty easy to put together. What I'm missing, or what I'm curious about, is the cable that goes onto that portion there. I'm going to look at the Moss website and see if I'm missing something. Obviously, I didn't buy something. I bought the entire kit, I thought, but I do have the two knobs, the pull cables, for here and here, plus the, that thing, plus on and on. I've got that all ready to go, but I don't know where the rest of it goes. The one cable that goes between the temperature control and I guess the heater valve. So a little bit of research for me to do. Other than that, hell, so I had to redo the top three holders. I mismeasured the other one. That's not too hard to overcome. So the paint is drying. I could probably put those on in an hour or two, and then suspend my dash with rope or whatever else that would hold this up without actually attaching it, and then do all the wiring. That's not going to be tough at all. Yeah. Cool. Pretty excited. Well, I might as well make a video for the night. I'm going to probably pack it in here in a few minutes. All the stuff for my dash, all the mechanical connections, all the wires, all the little push cables, all that stuff are done. I've got the wiring started. I've got a few things that I've labeled so I can come back to them later because they tie in with my custom gauges. And working off freaking ammonia, I think. And it's just a matter of getting it all together. I've got a whole bunch of wiring schematics from Speed Hut. That won't be tough to follow. A cat that's playing with a fake mouse. And I've done something that I have been wanting to do and trying hard to do, and that's put reverse lights on this thing. I know there's reverse lights that you can put on the center and larger ones on and on and on. I think these go to either a TR4 or a GT6. I forget, I got them out of Moss. I've been looking for these things for a long time that would fit in the holes that the bumpers go through without any changes or enlargements or whatever. I've wired both filaments together. It's a dual filament thing, and so they're pretty bright, awfully nice. I like the way it turned out. I have to figure out though what to do with the mounting holes, and I think of it for that because I'm going to put the God dang it, the plate mount a little bit lower. God dang it, I'm not over this cold yet. Pneumonia, whatever it was. So, like I say, it looks like a freaking rat's nest of wires right now, but it's really not. I know where everything's going. I know how it's going, where it's going, who it's going, all that on and on. I've got a whole bunch of leftover of these things. I've got a bunch of wires here that jumpers and grounds and more of the leftovers for the native gauges and so forth. And where's the other one? Oh yeah, this green jumper. Green figures pretty prominently for the underside of the wiring. I'll be finishing that up tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday for me, and got red there as well. And I'll probably finish up the wiring, hopefully finish up the wiring and mount the dash. At least sort of mount the dash. Something I did with this wood dash, I've got custom I made these. I fabricated these things. You can see how big they are. I want, in terms of the mounting hole, I want to be able to wiggle this thing around if I need to, left or right, or adjust it. So I've made those mounting holes larger, and I'll use washers underneath, again, so I can adjust as I need to. What I want to do is I don't want to have made a mistake where these things are mounted. Oh, again, cat. And yep. So I want to be able to adjust. Is all. So that's it for the night, I think. Yep.